This is Patty Dunn with All Dunn Designs, and I want to show you how to make a fake cuff on a t-shirt. And so what I've done is I have measured up, measured from the edge of the sleeve where I've cut 1.5 inches, and I've marked it. And then I'm going to turn this up once. Now, if you want it deeper, you can certainly do that. And then I'm going to turn it up again. So I'm turning it up the same amount both times. First time 1.5 inches, second time 1.5 inches again. And then I'm going to measure and be sure when I pin it, just drop my thing, when I pin it, I want to be sure that I'm right where I want to be as far as 1.5 inches. So I've pinned this side, and so now I have these really deep, this is a double hem, kind of like a regular hem you put on the bottom of a shirt or a top sleeve, but this is going to be a fake cuff. So what I've done is now I've pinned this, and I'm going to stitch right along the edge here of the fold, which actually I'm going to take it about 1/4 of an inch from the edge, and I'm just going to stitch all the way around, and I'm catching both of those folds so they will turn up and it will make a fake cuff. It's really easy. And it's really cute on like a t-shirt. So I'm just going to come around to the end here. Tie off. And now what I have, let me turn this right side out so you can see what I have. When I pull this down, I have a fake cuff. So here's my sleeve, and here is my cuff. And you press that down, and it looks like that's a already folded up cuff, and it's clean on the inside also. So it's a nice clean finish, and it's a real cute way to finish a top. Thanks for watching.